Hello, Hawks. For this project, I was inspired by the painting Guernica, which is what you see on your screen right now. You should have already watched the video giving you a brief history of it. It was painted by Pablo Picasso for the 1937 Paris World Expo, and he was commissioned to paint something for that expo, and so he used that opportunity to show the world something that was very important to him, that he felt passionate about, and that was the bombing of the small town of Guernica in Spain and all of the women and children and animals that unfortunately perished in that bombing. He wanted to bring light. This was during World War II, and it was the Nazis and some fascist Italians that bombed Guernica. And so he wanted to show the world what had happened and the pain and suffering that goes along with war. So he used his platform to show the world what had happened. So, and in that video that you've already watched, it breaks down some of the elements in this painting and it's giving some explanation to them. So for this project, what I want you to do is I want you to think of something, some kind of an issue in the world, and I'm sure there's a lot of things we could come up with, something that you feel passionate about, something that you want to change the world. You want to make the world a better place. And I'm going to show you some examples. You're going to make a collage, okay? So that means I don't want a lot of drawing on it. It's going to be mostly cutting out pieces of paper or tissue or pictures or things. You can use construction paper, pretty much anything that you have at home, or those of you on campus. I will be providing some supplies here, but I want you to create these images, okay, out of other supplies. But you're basically making a poster drawing awareness, bringing awareness to an issue you find important to you. So maybe it's that you want to stop bullying. Maybe it's telling people not to do drugs. Maybe it's to find a cure for cancer. This one talks about bringing awareness to diabetes, encouraging people to recycle, helping the homeless, feeding the homeless, helping people with MS. Maybe even if you have a loved one or you yourself have any kind of medical issues, you can use this to bring awareness to that issue. We've got adopting children. These are examples that I had from students, I believe, 2 years ago when we did the project last in school. There's another anti-bullying one, against animal cruelty, stopping pollution. Maybe you're going to encourage people to adopt and not shop for animals. Maybe it's bringing awareness to social injustices in the world. Whatever you feel passionate about, I want you to pick something that you care about. It could be as simple as just being kind to people. Okay, I mean, you can make it anti-bullying, but you could also be a focus on kindness, because the world all needs more of that. There's some more recycling, encouraging people to recycle. There's one saying no animal poaching, giving animals homes, adopting animals. There is one talking about school shooting. Now, I will say this, that I do encourage you, for that particular student asked if that was okay to do that. I said I want you to try to present a solution to the issue. How are we going to fix these things? So on his particular poster, he's encouraging having more police on school campuses, things like that. So there's one that says to stop vaping. So I want you to pick something that you are passionate about, that is meaningful to you. You are going to, on a piece of paper, with as little writing or drawing as possible, you are going to create images to express whatever issue it is that you're trying to raise awareness. So use whatever you've got around the house, like I said, whatever you've got at your disposal. That's great. And if you just don't have a lot of options and you need to do a drawing, then that will be fine as well. If you have any questions, please refer back to the directions for this project. And as always, you can email me with any questions. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.